there are a lot of sales. It's around 2.6 always, around 2.6. For the white one, and for this one it's around 0.63, so like 0.67. Then it's sold for loss actually. Okay, this guy did profit very little, maybe 100 bucks. So yeah, that's how it works. Like buy low and sell on high, and you make money. But yeah, what most of the people does is buy high and sell lows. So yeah, so yeah, but you can actually do your some research before investing on some projects. So yeah, there we'll check out the next one, which is check birds, which is a 6969 collection. I'm loving the numbers right here. Creator earning also 6.9%. Very nice. Total volume is 69 Ethereum. That's something unique. Damn. Because you can't fix that yourself. Holy shit. I love to see here also 69%. So activity, there's lots of sales going on. 0 0.1, 0 0.01. Oh. So the normal price is around 20 bucks, but this was something like had something unique, I guess. So yeah, there's also rarity in NFTs. You can check out those too. Yeah, there is one rarity rank. This is like 5015 out of 6969 collection, and you can actually go to the link and see and read everything. There, if we click on the NFT, there you can see their attributes by JJ, and there you can see the properties, like the body. 2% have this trait, and 19% have this trait, the blue tug. So it's just like not very rare, that's like common one around, because a lot of people having the same attributes. So there are some actually which has some unique attributes. So if how can I find that? If I just go to price, I don't know. Anyways, there's also a new thing, where the bots actually give you message, send you message when there's a rare